My name is Bradley Collier from West Palm Beach, Florida. Here goes a preview of my next book. A lack of financial literacy is one of the biggest failures in the world. It's time to fix this. The time is now. Bradley Collier. Beyond the 9-inch scar on his stomach from his 6th emergency surgery, my dad has experienced a great deal of pain. The real scars are the ones you can't see, the ones in his mind. He really understands our family's history, and it haunts him. He says the pain is far worse than any of the surgeries he's had. Daddy's mother died broke, his father died broke, and his brother died broke. They needed help from friends and family just to avoid being homeless at the end of their lives. It was undignified at best and humiliating at worst. My dad swore that wouldn't be our fate. He's all about planning and working hard so we can live comfortably and not worry about money. Financial literacy and behavioral finance are keys to growing wealth and preserving it. While Daddy is proud of his and Mommy's success, my success, and that of our ancestors, success is not enough. Though success is not necessarily measured in money, you need money to live, and money can help you thrive. I don't think everyone has to aim to be super rich, but to live comfortably, you need cash. You see, I have a long history of ancestors who were successful in many ways and made a good amount of money. Many failed to save and invest for the future, and most wasted lots of money to impress others and feed their ego. When marriages ended, kids got cut off from the possibility of inheriting anything because the dad's only focus became his new family. This made it more difficult for some kids, and it helped destroy others. Many in my family were addicted to spending money, like it gave them a surge of dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Feeling the need to fill a psychological void by needless spending possibly fuels many bad purchases. This is like literally starting money on fire. Then when they got sick, disaster struck. Daddy has done better financially than many because he's planned for the long term. He made me promise to do the same. I must live below my means and save and invest for the future. Yes, I can have nice things, but they must be within reason. And I must give back to society and help others achieve prosperity. I won't repeat my family's mistakes. Instead, I'll learn from them and grow. I've been called to help lead a revolution. Part of my calling is to help educate people on financial literacy and behavioral finance. This is how I will help save the world. My name is Bradley Collier, and I'm an author, student, and athlete. My current book available on Amazon is My Resilient Win: How a 10-year-old boy defeated inflammatory bowel disease without prescription drugs or surgery. And look for my future book, Saving the World Through Financial Literacy and Behavioral Finance. To keep up to date with or contact author, student, and athlete Bradley Collier, please visit bradleycollier.net.